So one day I had this idea to use this IKEA desk pad and these Dollar Tree decals to transform this plain dull desk pad into a gem like this. This DIY will only take you 10 minutes to do and it only costs $10 or less. So, are y'all ready to get creative? Yeah? Let's go. If you guys are subscribed to my channel and you also follow me on Instagram, I did a reel/short on this tutorial. So basically I got a desk pad, Dollar Tree decals, as you can see, and then I went to town and decorated the desk pad. It's super easy to do, it's super affordable, and now I'm gonna show you me doing another one. I'm going to be using the desk pad in the video because I didn't feel like buying another desk pad just to kind of show you the tutorial when I can simply reuse the desk pad, which is the whole point of this tutorial actually, is that you can keep recycling or keep reusing the desk pad. So I'll take the stickers off, apply new ones, take the stickers off, apply new ones based on the theme that I do in my bedroom or wherever I want to put my desk pad. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm taking the stickers off and then I'm going to clean the desk pad off. All right, now it's time to unleash your inner creative gem. Go to the Dollar Tree, get your wall decals, make sure they're wall decals or at least stickers that can be easily removed. I'm gonna use these wall decals that you use in the kitchen. I'm also gonna use this Paris wall decal, and also I'm going to recycle and use some wall decals that I have left over from a previous project. Now it's time to design. Take your wall decals and place them on your mat where you want them. Or you can cut out your wall decals and place them on that way. Unfortunately, most of the decals from the Dollar Tree have decals on both sides, so you can't cut them out and kind of lay them out. But that's okay. It's okay to play around with it because the stickers can peel on and peel off. So I can easily play around with designs. The only thing is the stickiness kind of goes away as I keep peeling it on and off. So I try to minimize the amount of times I'm pulling it on and off. But I do like the ability to be able to do that. So right now I am just laying out my decals, applying them, and then pretty much just figuring out where I want them based on my liking. Once you applied your decal, take a credit card or any type of hard card and start smoothing out your wall decal. This gets all the bubbles out, make sure everything's nice and even. And this is especially helpful if you have words you're applying to your desk pad or even this split decal of the Eiffel Tower. Use this technique for all your decals as you go along. When it comes to these type of split decals, you have to be really precise. So off camera, I did align this because I had to get in front of the camera to really make it aligned. But here is the end result. I did smooth it out off camera with the card. And now I am putting the rest of my wall decals on the pad. And just to let you guys know, I do have several more videos of me using these wall decals. If you want to watch them, the links are in the description below. All right, so I'm doing the finishing touches and my desk pad is almost complete. Not only is my desk pad stylish, but also it protects my desk. Now, I also have a laminate countertop, which I can easily wipe clean, but because I'm doing my makeup and other things here, I want to protect my countertop, so that's why I created this desk pad. And if a sticker gets damaged or something like that, I can easily take the sticker off and replace it. So what do you guys think? Is this something you guys would make? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification at the bottom. Be notified when new content similar to this comes out. All right? See you next time. Bye.